If you're seeing the Vanguard error Van 57 in League of Legends, don't panic. I'll show you the steps to fix it quickly so you can get back to gaming. First of all, try restarting your computer. Sometimes Vanguard needs a fresh start to initialize properly. Next, make sure that Riot Vanguard is installed and running. Then press Windows plus R and type services.msc and hit enter. After that, look for Riot Vanguard and if it's not running, right-click and select Start. Another solution is to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Go to your control panel, then click on Uninstall a program under Programs. After that, find Riot Vanguard from the list and uninstall it. Then launch League of Legends again and it will automatically reinstall Vanguard. Finally, after reinstalling or repairing, restart your PC and try launching League of Legends again. Follow these steps and the Van 57 error should be fixed so you can get back to your game without issues. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos and thank you for watching.